Attention. Attention.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Nurin Akila binti Halim. Today, in this video, I would like to tell you guys about the artificial intelligence that have been implemented in insurance industry. Let's go. In today's era, the technologies around us have evolved rapidly. There are so many new technologies have been created which help and give a beneficial in many aspects. One of the new technologies that has been introduced to all is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI in short, can be defined as a transformational technology, and the human intelligence simulations have been applied in that and be programmed to have human-like thinking and acting. It could give a distraction in the sectors, but at the same time could give a potential of advantages in manifold when using this artificial intelligence. The characteristic that is ideal for this artificial intelligence is they can be able to rationalize and show the actions that are giving the best chance in attaining the particular goals. Generally, artificial intelligence can be divided broadly into two categories, namely they are narrow AI and can be referred as a weak AI, and artificial general intelligence or strong AI. These two categories of artificial intelligence, for the first one is narrow AI. Narrow AI is an artificial intelligence that operates in a restricted context. Narrow AI is frequently put focus on doing a single task excellently. However, narrow AI works under much greater constraints and limitation than the most elementary human intelligence. For example, Google search and image recognition software. Meanwhile, artificial general intelligence is known as the strong AI and is an artificial intelligence that was shown in the movie like robots from Star Trek. It is known as a machine that endowed with a general intelligence much likely more like human being and can use its intelligence for the problem solving. Artificial intelligence also has been implemented in insurance industry. As for the industry of the insurance, artificial intelligence helps to transform the areas namely like customer service, underwriting, claims, marketing, and the detection of the fraud in the industry. The advances in artificial intelligence made it really necessary tool to have in business as it gives so many benefits in the insurance industry. The first benefit is claims management. Since the insurance industries have an enormous data amounts, so the data doesn't give much benefit on its own. By using artificial intelligence could help much because AI processes the data quickly, so it will surely help the insurers to speed up and automate the process of the claims and solve the problem from a better perspective. The second benefit is fraud detection. Statistics have indicated about up to 10% from the claim costs are linked with the fraud. So, for this situation, AI may detect the fraud better than a human expert through a predictive analytics. Thirdly, it gives benefit to underwriting and prevention for any losses. By using artificial intelligence, it can help assist in automating the underwriting process through the combination of multiple data sources to prevent any testing and treatment unrequired. Data also can be used to evaluate the risk and prevention promotion. The reduction of the risk to the insurer can be done if an early detection has been made. There are a few challenges that will be faced by the insurers in implementing artificial intelligence. The first challenge to the insurers is the requirements for the training. It is because the insurers feel it is difficult to provide the training system as the artificial intelligence powered intellectual systems require the separate training system. Meanwhile, to cover the most possibilities that would come, the models need to be trained with the large data volumes. So, with the separate training system, the insurers feel it is difficult to have the large volumes of data to cover all the possibilities. The second challenge to the insurers is to get the appropriate data sources. Both the quantity and the quality of data are important equally when doing the training predictive models. The data sets have to be representative of the standard data that encountered and must be balanced in such a way as to avoid bias. Thirdly, the challenge to the insurers is there will facing the difficulty to predict the returns on AI investments. It is not an easy job to predict the return on the investment from using the AI approaches. For example, AI projects can absorb significantly more than anticipated, and the implementation date may be subject to significant delay. Next is the data security. Safety risks increase as the amount of data used for AI algorithm increases. Lastly, the challenge in implementation the artificial intelligence in the insurance industry is the regulations. Insurance regulators need to have a better understanding of the data available to the industry as to whether to approve the use of these new technologies by the insurers. As for the conclusion, nowadays in the modern era, there are so many technologies have emerged around us that give so many good effects to all. In industries, technologies now has become an important asset to have in the company's operation. For example, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is providing many benefits to many sectors. For the insurance industry, it helps the industry in many things, such as helping in transform of the areas and helps in claim management. These benefits can be used as a solid evidence for its existence that really facilitate the industry operations and made the industry perform way better than it had before. In implementing these models, this artificial intelligence gives so many challenges to the insurance too. The insurers need to overcome the challenges in order to perform well in their industries if they are using this model.
That's all from me. Thank you. See you next time.